Hey, and welcome to Think Creative TV. My name is Matt Pullen, and I am your guide in all things iPad in the classroom. Please do subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. It's great to know that people want to hear the latest tips and tricks. So let's get going. So with the school year sort of coming to an end at the moment and lots of schools starting to think about graduations or end of year ceremonies, I thought it'd be quite nice to sort of have a look at how you might want to celebrate some of the things you've done, create some posters that could go out to students, just ways to really celebrate that, we're still thinking out them, even if we're not in the classroom with them. So picking up on the Memoji laptop theme, I thought I'd stick with something along those lines and think about how you could create like a yearbook cover photo. And as you've seen with other Memoji creation things, this really is about celebrating people's unique, things about them, but not necessarily having their photos on things, because we know some people just don't want to have their photos out there. Emojis are a great tool to use to kind of cover those. So this is just using Keynote and using some of those Memoji themes. In this instance, I've just kind of created what some of our students might look like. You can go to town on this, and in fact I'd probably suggest that the more personal you can make it about your students, the better. I've just taken some Memojis that I've created just to show this as a proof of concept, really. So, on my device here, taking from that Memoji laptop idea, just kept it nice and simple for this one, actually. Just this is our university logo, just a banner across the top, class of 2020, and then added in what would be potentially some of your students around. It could also be your faculty. Like in my faculty, there's 10 or so of us. It could have been a selection of the people that I work with. In this case, I've just represented, the students, really. Over here, just kind of played around with some additional things to add to the Memoji. So the Memoji laptop challenge was really about adding stickers to your laptop, but I quite like this Memoji here, with a hand up raised like that, and thinking, what could they be holding in their hand? We are talking about our students leaving university. There's no reference there to saying the whole world is in their hands. So just kind of a nice little idea that you could add in. Now, where I've said about this being a yearbook, my plan is to start to think about how I could use Pages next to create a little yearbook that could be shared around the students. They could all add a little bit of information about themselves, hopes and dreams for the future, and then have a page there where other students would be able to add in maybe some memories, maybe some thoughts, maybe some good luck messages. So please watch out for that video coming soon on how you can make a digital yearbook collaboratively so that students can share their thoughts and wishes for the future for everyone else. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like and please subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date on any new videos coming out soon. And if you'd like to know more about how to create this yearbook cover, please leave a comment below and we will think about some new videos to help you with the things that you need help with.